Today I'm working on a Stihl MS250 chainsaw. This has been sitting for a while and won't start. I'll take you through the process of diagnosing and repairing it. We'll start by inspecting the air filter. Brand new. A quick look inside the fuel tank. This is Echo's Power Fuel, pre-mixed 40-to-1 non-ethanol based. That's a good sign, but it probably means that the fuel that's been in it has been old fuel. It is not uncommon for this curved special fuel hose underneath the carburetor to crack in this area. So we inspect that. No cracks, looks good. The grommet at the top of the fuel tank isn't leaking. Next we'll take a look at the spark plug. Saturated with a lot of fuel even bridging the gap at the electrode. So it's a pretty good assumption the carburetor has failed. We'll do a quick compression test. Throttle held wide open, pull the saw over fast as if starting it until the needle no longer continues to rise on the gauge. We get 155 pounds. To test for spark, I'll take a tool similar to this, put it in against the side of the cylinder head, rest the spark plug on it, and pull the saw over. I've already done that. It does have good spark. Using an 8mm socket, pull the carburetor off and take a look at the inside of the carburetor. Unclip the throttle linkage. And take the choke rod out. Carburetor will slide off now over that fuel hose. And now we'll take this apart. We'll take off the metering side of the carburetor first. That is typically where the problem lies. Inspect the diaphragm. It feels great. Sometimes they'll get enough debris through the vent that it holds the diaphragm down. That doesn't seem too bad. We'll take off the pump side next. And inspect the two pump flaps. Not uncommon as this plastic ages for the flaps to become either curled or bent inward, and then they won't move up and down correctly. I don't think we have a pump problem in this carburetor because it is delivering fuel. We'll take off this metering needle next. There's a tiny spring under there. We'll see how that looks. Tip looks okay. The fuel screen is clean. Let's take this diaphragm off. Give it a better inspection. the stiff side. Not bad, but that's enough to hold that needle down. I did a quick carburetor clean, reassembled the saw, replaced the spark plug, and it runs just fine with a little bit of a tune on the carb. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you out.